Welcome to our channel, where Keys and Main Dirt are bringing a 1967 Ford Mustang back to life. We're restoring this classic from rust to glory, step by step. In today's video, we're tearing out the rusty right wheel well, removing a trunk panel, and mounting a brand new wheel well. Stick with us as we grind, weld, and make this Mustang shine again. First, we grind along the mounting points of the old wheel well so we can more easily see how it's attached. The old wheel well is also firmly attached on the inside, making it tricky to get the grinder along. We keep the mounting points as intact as possible so we can clearly see how the new wheel well needs to be positioned. Want to support us and treat us to a well-deserved coffee during the restoration? Click the link in the description. The wheel arch is almost attached. It's a matter of finding the right spots to grind. We don't want to grind away too much unnecessarily, as that would make it harder to position the new wheel arch correctly. Yes, after hours of grinding, it's finally off. Now we're going to remove the rusty parts of the panel in the trunk space. You can see that behind the attachment points of the wheel arch, there's a lot of surface rust. The large parts of the panel in the trunk are now gone. Now we need to remove the pieces of sheet metal where the spot welds are located. Here you can see that it has been removed. To remove the spot welds, it's best to drill them out. We're also drilling out these points. There's still a piece of metal here that needs to be removed. Here's the new wheel arch we're going to install. As you can see, we first fitted the wheel arch together with a new panel to check if it sits properly in place. We carefully check how the panel fits to see exactly how we need to mount it. Then, we mark the holes to be drilled where we can weld the wheel arch. We remove the last weld points and smooth out any sharp edges. Once everything is ready to mount the wheel arch, we spray the other parts with rust converter, which transforms the rust into a protective layer on the metal. Next week, you'll see how the rust converter has done its job. We'll also prime the metal parts and permanently mount them. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our project weekly.